VBA automates tasks that formulas cannot: formatting reports, sending emails, creating files, and processing data across workbooks. It's the ultimate Excel power tool. Press Alt plus F11 to open the VBA editor. Insert a new module with right-click, Insert Module. This is where you'll write all your macros. The interface looks intimidating, but you only need the code window. We write a sub-procedure that selects a range, applies bold headers, auto-fits columns, adds borders, and sets number formats. Run it once, and it formats any report identically in under a second. Learn to declare variables with dim, loop through rows with for each, and add logic with if-then-else. These three concepts cover 80% of practical VBA automation needs. I write the complete formatting macro line by line, explaining every keyword. Then I run it on a messy report and show the instant transformation. Total coding time, under 5 minutes. You just automated your first task with VBA. Subscribe for the next video where we build a macro that emails reports automatically.